Hello students, good morning. How are you? Good, that's fine. So let's continue our story that I have started two videos before. So let me open your textbook page number. See page number 51 of your textbook and let me read this story for you and then we'll discuss about it. So here I was reading last day. The news spread through the bazaar with the rapidity of forest fire. From the general merchants, it traveled to the shop, circulated amongst the customers, and then spread with them in various directions to the betel seller, the tailor, the free vendor, the jeweler, the beggar sitting on the pavement. Pavement means footpath. रस्त्याच्या बाजूने शहरामध्ये जे पायी चालण्यासाठी केलेलं असतं त्याला पेव्हमेंट म्हणायचं. PAVEMENT पेव्हमेंट. So the news spread or the rumor spread with the speed of fire in the forest. आगीमध्ये वनामध्ये जसं वनवा पेटतो, जंगलामध्ये जसं जंगल पेटतं आणि पेटल्याच्या नंतर धडधड धडधड पेटायला लागतं, अनेक झाडं भस्मसात होतात, वेगवेगळ्या दिशेने ते धावत राहतं, आग पळत राहते. इन द सेम वे दिस rumor was spreading. It had got that power, it had got that speed of fire in the forest, and it spread from the merchant shop to the direction of betel seller. Betel seller म्हणजे पान विक्रेता. To the tailor, to the free vendor, to the jeweler, the beggar who was sitting on the pavement. So this is how the news got four directions. You know, all directions the news started spreading. Then old Ganpat, the beggar, had a crooked leg. Crooked means langda pai. He had been squatting on the pavement for years, calling for alms. In the evening, someone would come with a barrow and take him away. He had never been known to walk, but now, on learning that the bank was about to collapse, Ganpat astonished everyone, leaping to his feet and actually running at top speed in the direction of the bank. It soon became known that he had 1,000 rupees in the savings. And so, this rumor, as I told you, it has bad effect, it has good effect. It is a big entertainment. At the same time, it is a big shock. When we say rumor has many aspects, many results, many effects. Many people are involved in it. Many types of characters are involved in it. So student, what happened that there was old Ganpat. He was a beggar. Beggar means bhikari. His one leg was crooked. Crooked means wakda tikda. Leg means pie. Crooked leg means langda pie. Many people know, people of People Nagar know that this old beggar would sit on the pavement, and for many years he was sitting in the same way, because many people know that his one leg was crooked, and he was sitting there all these years, and he was begging for alms. Alms means big मागत होता, big. When this old Ganpat, this beggar, heard the news, that news was that People Nagar Bank is going to collapse. When he heard the news, he suddenly stood up and started running. Before that, no one had seen him running. All people know that he is a crooked and he can sit only in one place and he can beg. And in the evening, a cart would come. Barrow means cart. Barrow means choti gadi. Somebody would bring a barrow for old Ganpat, and old Ganpat would sit in that barrow and he would go to his home. But first time people saw that old Ganpat jumping on his two legs, balancing well, and running at the top speed in the direction of the bank. And then people were shocked. And then people understood one more reality. That reality number one, that old Ganpat, he is a beggar, but he is not crooked. His legs are full and fine, fit and fine. And number second thing, old Ganpat, though he is a beggar, he has many rupees, or let us say, he has many thousand rupees in the bank account. It means old Ganpat was also having bank account, having lot of money in the bank, in the People Nagar bank. And so student, this reality was also opened. The next, men stood in groups at street corners discussing the situation. People Nagar seldom had a crisis, seldom or never had floods, earthquakes or drought, and the imminent crash of the People Nagar bank set everyone talking and speculating. Speculate means विचार करने and rushing about in a frenzy. Frenzy means रागाने, वैतागाने. Some boasted of their far-sightedness, म्हणजे दूरदृष्टीपणा, congratulating themselves on having already taken out their money or on never having put any in. Others speculated on the reasons for the crash, putting it all down to excesses indulged in by Seth Govindram. The Seth had fled the state, and said one. He had fled the country, said another. He was hiding in People Nagar, said a third. He had hanged himself from the tamarind tree, said a fourth, and had been found that morning by the sweeper boy. So, see student, when there is a such rumor, when there are many people, many talks, many guesses, many thoughts. Nobody can control such people. And so people of People Nagar were discussing, or they were talking, or they were thinking about their own way. They were talking about their own way. Because nobody can put the hand on their mouth. They are free. So such things, means shocking things, could seldom happen in that town. Means that earthquake or flood, or let us say that drought means dushkal. Such things happened, but they were very rare. Rare means durmil. But this time, when they heard that the bank is going to collapse, then everybody was thinking, everybody was talking. Some people said that we are far-sighted, we have far-sightedness. Far-sightedness. Far-sightedness means दूरदृष्टीपणा. म्हणजे भविष्यात बद्दल विचार करण्याची कॅपॅसिटी, भविष्यात काय होईल हे विचार करण्याची कॅपॅसिटी, that is far-sightedness. Some people say that we have that attitude, we have this quality, and so that we could take out money from the bank before it collapsed. Some people say that we know that bank was going to collapse, that is why we have never put money into that bank. This way, also in the same way, the people were talking about Seth Govindram. Seth Govindram is the owner of the bank. One man said about Seth Govindram that the Seth has run away from the state. Another man said, no, he has run away from the country only. Third person said that he has not run away from the state or country. He is hiding in his own place, in his own home, that is in People Nagar. One more man said that he has hanged himself. Hang means fashi. He has hanged himself and only in the morning Superboy found his dead body hanging to the rope. So many guesses, many talking, many discussions. There was no control. The news, the rumor had got its power. The rumor had got its speed, and so that nobody can control now. There was the effect, and that was certain. So student, है ना, that this much. By noon, the small bank had gone through all its ready cash, and the harassed manager was in a dilemma. Emergency funds could only be obtained from another bank some 30 miles distant, and he wasn't sure he could persuade the crowd to wait until then. And then there was no way of contacting Seth Govindram on his houseboat in Kashmir. Now remember student that actually really Seth Govindram was not in the People Nagar. He had gone to Kashmir for holiday. And this rumor which had started in the morning, it had started from the mouth of Nathu when he was sweeping the steps of bank. The news started its travel, the news started its journey, and till afternoon it has passed through many people, through many events. What was the condition of bank in the afternoon? In the afternoon, the bank had no money. Bank had means all cash money had gone from the bank. Why? Because all the account holders, they had come together to get back their money. Suddenly they made crowd, and because of that cash money was taken out from the bank, because it was forced to the manager, give us payment, give our money back. And so those who were available, those who came first, their money was given to him, to the people. And then there was a emergency fund, but it was not in the People Nagar. Emergency fund they can uh, demand, they can take from another city, but that place was some 30 miles long. And then manager was trying to calm, the manager was trying to handle the account holders, but people were not listening to him. All people were angry. They wanted their money right now only. What a manager can do, because he was also shocked why this happened. And so he had no option. So he contacted Seth Govindram, who was in Kashmir. Then what happened? People were turned back from the counters and told to return the following day. Following day means दूसरे दिवशी. They did not like the sound of that, and so they gathered outside on the steps of the bank shouting, "Give us our money or we will break in and fetch the set. We know he is hiding in a safe deposit locker." Mischief makers who didn't have a paisa in the bank joined the crowd and aggravated their mood. The manager stood at the door and tried to placate them. He declared that the bank had plenty of money but no immediate means of collecting it. He urged them to go home and come back the next day. What happened? That the people, the manager said that people, they together they made crowd and together they wanted their money back. How is it possible? Because bank does not have that much cash amount in the bank. So the manager said, "Please you go today and you come back tomorrow. We will pay your money." Pay means paisa dene. But the people were not ready. They said that we want our money now only. Today only we want. And so what they can do? And the people were becoming angry and angry. They were aggravated. You know, give us our money, and they were shouting on the steps of bank. Give us our money. Call Seth Govindram. People were saying. They thought that Govindram is in the bank, because this is also rumor that Govindram is not in the in Kashmir, but he is in the safe. deposit locker. He is in the safe means tizori also. He is he is hiding himself in the safe deposit locker. So send him to us. We want to talk him. We want to meet him. And so the people were not listening, and there were some people among the crowd. They were mischief maker. मिस्चिफ मीन्स खोड्या, मेकर मीन्स करणारे. काही खोडकर लोक होते त्याच्यामध्ये. दे वेर ॲग्रिवेटिंग, ॲग्रिवेट, ॲग्रिवेट मीन्स राग वाढवणे. They were aggravated their mood, and so there were some people who had not money in the bank, but they just mix into the crowd, and they were shouting more and more, and they were making atmosphere intense. And that is why people were that manager was standing in front of the people, and he was trying to placate. Placate means rag shant karne. He was trying to placate the mood of people. And so this happened, and again he said that actually bank is having money, but there is no means to bring the money back today only. Means sadhan. Means sadhan. Mean means artha asne, and there is one more mean. Mean means halkat. Mean means. So manager said that there is no means sadhan. Actually bank is having money, but there is no means to bring money right now or today. So you can go back to your home and come back here today, tomorrow we will give your money. But people were not listening. They were very angry, they were annoyed, at the same time they were frightened, they were shocked. And so this we can say anarchy. Anarchy means gondal, andhadhund. This anarchy was created by one boy, or it started from one boy whose name is Nathu, because he had started it from the early morning when he was sweeping the steps of bank. He had said to Sitaram that this bank is not giving me payment. Actually I had applied for 2 rupee more, but they did not give me 2 rupee, but also they are not giving me my payment since 20 months. This news or this statement had triggered the rumor, and it had spread in the speed of fire. And now we see what result it has taken, or what form it has taken, because it is all people, or it is all tricky people, or people with poor understanding, or people with the time pass mind, etc. So student, come back to the next day. We want it now, chanted some of the crowd. Now, and a brick hurtled through the air and crashed through the plate glass window of the People Nagar bank. Plate glass window. And so when manager said you go to your home and come tomorrow, but the people chanted. Chant means say in a rhythmic way, एक rhythm मध्ये म्हणणे. Some people chanted that we want money now only, now. And one of the people, or one of the persons, took a brick. Brick means wheat. Took a brick and he hurled. Hurled means फेंकने. He hurled the brick on the window of the bank, and so the glass window of the bank was broken there. So student, only short part of the story is remained. We will see in the next video. So have a nice day. Thank you.